everyone! Today, let's turn our creativity into a beautiful memory holder. We're going to make a lovely handmade paper photo frame for your favorite Polaroid. All you need are some basic supplies, mostly paper, glue, and a little imagination. First, let's choose our main cardboard. I love this soft blush pink. We'll craft a frame perfectly sized for a Polaroid. A little cozy home for your cherished moments. Let's prepare our tools: a ruler, a pencil, and a craft knife for clean cuts. We'll mark out an outer rectangle first, let's say 12 by 10 centimeters. This is our frame's base. Now, with a steady hand, we carefully cut along these lines to form our outer frame shape. This is our outer frame. Next, we'll mark the inner rectangle, leaving a border for the frame itself. Take your time with this step to get a clean, sharp opening for your photo. Precision is key.
And there we have it, the main structure of our frame, ready for decoration.
Now, let's cut a slightly larger piece for the back to hold our photo securely in place. Apply glue carefully to the edges of our main frame. Not too much, just enough to secure it. Now, gently align and press the backing piece onto the glued edges. Make sure it's straight. Smooth out the edges gently to ensure a strong, seamless bond. We want it to be perfect. Our basic frame structure is now complete. See, it's already starting to look like a frame. Now for the fun part, choosing our decorative paper. I adore this subtle floral pattern. Measure your decorative paper to perfectly cover the front of the frame, including the borders. Apply glue evenly across the entire front of our frame. This will be the foundation for our beautiful paper. Carefully place the decorative paper on top, then gently smooth it out to avoid any bubbles or wrinkles. Now, we carefully trim the excess paper from the inner window, making sure the opening is clean. Our frame is starting to look so elegant. Now comes the truly personal touch: decorations. I love adding little details. These tiny pastel hearts and stars are perfect. Place them wherever you feel inspired. A few scattered here and there add a touch of whimsy. A tiny ribbon bow can add so much charm. I picked this soft lavender one. A tiny dab of glue is all we need to secure our sweet little bow in place. Washi tape is perfect for adding a subtle border or extra pop of color, like this lovely mint green. Now for the heart of our frame, your cherished Polaroid photo. Carefully slide your Polaroid into the opening from the top, adjusting it until it's perfectly centered. A small adjustment here, a little nudge there, perfect. For a touch of nature, I love adding tiny dried flowers. They give such a lovely organic feel. Just a final glance, a little shift here, a subtle touch there.